In this video, we're going to cover how to set up shortcut keys and custom CAD buttons. If we go up to Tools and Summit, Customize Toolbar, scroll down, there's 3 palettes of custom CAD buttons. Each have 8 buttons on them. I'll go OK, and that's brought up a new palette in here. And this is available in ArcGIS, MicroStation, Global Mapper, and AutoCAD. Wherever you can key in a function, you can set it up on a custom CAD button. What I'm going to do is click on Customize Button Editor, select my button that I want. I'm going to do number 8. I already have something put in there. So it's going to say Task, Cut Polygon Features, Draw Point to Point, which will allow me to cut a polygon in ArcGIS using the point-to-point method. And I've put in a tooltip for it as well. So it says cut polygon P to P, and I'll go OK. So now if I click on that button, it should automatically put me into cut polygon mode on it. Now I can do that. I can set up my layers on that, so I can drive to a certain layer I want. And one of the things I really like doing is taking some of the commands off the keypad, which you can find the DTEM keypad controller. You can look at any of these. There's an AutoCAD one, there's one for ArcGIS, there's one for MicroStation, and you can start pulling functions out of that. So if I had, let's say, a fence area, I can right click on that fence, edit key 87, and it tells me what I'm going to start editing. And in this case, it says start editing target fence to fence. Or sorry, fence, create new feature, draw point to point. Okay, and I can cut and paste these into my custom CAD buttons as well. So now that I have a custom CAD button, as soon as I click on that, it'll take me into cutting polygon. Now I can also set that up as a shortcut. If I go into Tools, Shortcuts, I can come down here. I've named that one cut polygon point to point, custom CAD button cut polygon point to point, and I can create a shortcut. In this case, it's going to be Control X. So I just click on whatever I want to do, and I can make it Control I if that's what I wanted. But I'm not going to do that one. I already have it set up at Control X. I'll go OK. So now within Arc, if I set this back to create, it says draw point-to-point segments if I was doing a new polygon. I'll now go Control X within Summit, so I'll drive around, I'll go Control X, and it automatically sets me into the cut polygon. And let's say I want to cut this polygon, I can snap, oh, that's not the one I want, so I want to cut the one with the little lake on it. So I'm going to keep my cursor at the same spot and select the other polygon with my left mouse key. Now I can start cutting now that I have the correct polygon. I want to cut around, come down to the end. It automatically snaps to it, and I can close. And I've cut that polygon.